Hello there. This video explains how Excel tests work on Equip. Um, with Equip's Excel test, you will be able to automatically evaluate how well versed a candidate is with Excel, right? So when the candidate starts the test, they will see an interface like this. They will see a list of questions. This is a demo, so there's only one question. And corresponding to each question, there's one sheet. So Q1 corresponds to question 1. And now this is a Google spreadsheet, so it's almost like an Excel file. Let's look at this question. The question says in cell D2, find the name of the student with ID 1100. So let me find 1100, and then the student's name is Victoria Smith. And I could say, okay, let me enter that here, right? And so I'm done with this. I still have a minute and 42 seconds left. Let me try and submit the answer. Now, Equip evaluates the submission and then figures out that this cell does not have a formula. Right? The point of an Excel test is not to answer questions based on the data. It is to actually use formulae to answer questions, so that you are showing how well you know Excel formulae, right? And so I'll say, okay, let me fix this, and I can then write an actual formula. So say this is a traditional VLOOKUP. I'm looking up 1100, which is here, right? And then the range is from A2 to B21. And I want the second index, and I know that the data are not sorted, right? And so the answer is the same, but the input is obviously a formula, right? And let me try and submit this. And now this knows that this is a formula, so it allows it. You go on, and what you're seeing right here is what the recruiter would see, right? So the demo test shows the results, but of course in an actual test, the candidate cannot see the results. And then you will see here that this test had only one question, so it had 10 points assigned to it. The candidate has got the full 10 points, and you can see this marked in green, right, because this is the right answer. Of course, you can modify this. Let's say for whatever reason you were not satisfied with the answer, you can just say, okay, scored it out of 8 points, and then when it reloads, you'll be able to see that they've got 8 points, and because it's not fully correct, they get one wrong. You can open the spreadsheet in a different tab. You can obviously imagine having much more complicated questions than this. We've only shown you questions that are automatically evaluated, but we also have questions that involve pivot tables, formatting, and so on, right? So whatever you would assign to a candidate as a take-home assignment can be done here. And of course, the advantage of doing it within the Equip platform is all the tests are proctored. So you don't have to worry about candidates, feeding the Excel file to ChatGPT and getting the answers and so on. You can actually monitor them as they take the test. All right, thank you.